Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. In this video, I promise you nothing but the best in terms of tips to avoid heat damage while blow drying your hair at home. So if this is something that interests you, kindly make sure you stay to the very end. Also make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. Also leave comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this. So guys, I'm starting out on freshly co-washed hair. You don't want to blow dry your hair while it's dry because that will cause a lot of damage and breakage to the strands, and that's what we want to avoid. So even if I've co-washed it, I'm still going to kind of spritz water onto it to add just a little bit of moisture boost to it. Then I'm going to go in with my micellar leave-in treatment to just seal in the moisture, to add a little bit of treatment and nutrients to my hair because we want to protect the strands as much as possible. After that, I'll go in with my castor oil, and this oil acts as a sealant, and also I love using this castor oil. Okay, this is my first time using it as a sealant while blow drying my hair because the consistency is kind of thick, and so I thought to myself it will protect my strands from the heat caused by the blow dry. So yeah, that's what I used for this. After prepping my hair, it's now time to start blow drying. And guys, I lost the footage while I did this at the start, but never mind, I'll show you the whole process. So this is me just putting rubber bands onto the dryer so that it can hold the comb really tightly because the comb was kind of falling off, so I had to do this. And as you've seen, I sectioned my hair. I'm working on my hair while it is sectioned because I find that this is so easy. When the hair is not sectioned, it kind of will tangle a lot, and that's what we don't want. We want to also maintain the hair, like I want to ensure there is no breakage to my hair. There's little or no breakage to my hair, so that's the essence of sectioning the hair. So this is it. I'm just going to set my blow dry on medium heat, guys. I'm going to use medium heat. I don't want any or little, like I don't want heat damage on my hair, so I've put it on medium heat, and I'm just going to be so very gentle. The key, guys, is just being so very gentle while you do this. Remember, the hair is kind of matted, like the hair is imeshikana, so you want to be as gentle while removing all the tangles and the knots, if that makes sense. And guys, let me just tell you the truth. Let me be honest with you. I was so very much skeptical. I just debated whether I should blow dry my hair or not because ever since I became natural 5 years ago, I've never blow dried my hair. This is the first time that I'm doing this on my hair, and I was just skeptical about using heat on my hair. But again, I was tired of the tangles and the knots each and every time. Detangling my hair was also a problem, and that's why I don't always like having my hair out regularly. I always put my hair away in a protective style, but today I just felt the need to just blow dry my hair and have my hair all out and just revel in my natural hair. So yeah, I decided to do this, though I'm a bit skeptical. So after all of that, I'm just going to twist my hair away, and as you've seen, guys, like the hair just, when I use the comb to kind of comb through my hair, it just slides through, meaning that all the tangles and the knots have been removed and everything. And I just love these, guys. And what even gave me a lot of morale is the fact that my hair was so shiny and silky and bouncy. Like, look at that difference from the hair that is blow dried and the hair that is not blow dried. Like, you'll see it, guys, that my hair just became so very much like bouncy and oily and silky and everything. I just loved it. I hope you are enjoying up to this point. Kindly make sure you comment in the comment section if you haven't. Like this video, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please. Okay, guys, are you ready for it? Here we go. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. Look at that shine, and I just love it. See that? Are you seeing the difference between the blow dried one and the one that's not blow dried? I just loved my hair in this state, guys. So just continue watching. I hope you are enjoying this. And one thing I must say is that when you're doing this, remember to be so very gentle. Don't let the fast forwarding of this video deceive you. I'm being so very gentle. Sorry about that. I'm being so very gentle to my hair. Like, I'm not yanking my hair by force. I'm just going in sections from the tips to the roots of my hair, and I'm just working it gently, working all the tangles and the knots out so very gently. Remember, guys, we want to avoid breaking our hair. We want to preserve the growth that is there, and we just want to protect all our strands. Something that I realized while working on the crown of my head is that there is a lot of shading, and this is the shortest part of my hair this is the shortest part of my hair. My hair at the crown is not growing as much as the rest of the section, so I don't really know what to do with this point. So if you know what I can do to make the crown of my head to grow out, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you recommend. Leave it in the comment section. Guys, I'm almost done with everything, and to say that I was so very pleased, it is an understatement. Like, I was so happy. I didn't know my hair would turn out like this. But again, another downside, not really a downside, but something that I realized is generally my hair is in its plateau phase. My hair is not growing out. So if you can also recommend something that I can do to come out of of this plateau face, kindly do so in the comment section. Help our sister out. Let's grow our hairs together. After all of that, this is my hair all blow dried out and all stretched out. And guys, I just loved this. I just loved my hair. Seeing my hair this stretched in a long while just made me fall in love with my hair all over again, guys. I really do love this, and I was so very happy despite the fact that I had a lot of split ends, which I really needed a trim, but I couldn't trim my hair. But I'll do that maybe some other time. I'll go for a professional to do that for me, and yeah, this is me just loving my hair and everything. So up to this point, thank you so very much for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed everything. Kindly make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Also, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, make sure you do subscribe to my video. Thanks, guys. Bye.